Song of Lawino is a narrative poem narrated by a traditional Acholi woman, Lawino, who expresses her dissatisfaction with her husband, Oko's rejection to their traditional Acholi culture due to Western influence. The poem explores themes of cultural identity, tradition, colonization, and gender dynamics. Lawino defends her heritage and the beauty of her heritage, while also criticizing Clementine's adoption of Western habits. The poem critiques colonialism and modernity, highlighting the impact of cultural alienation on marriage and the strained relationship between Lawino and Oak. The poem serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving indigenous traditions. Song of Lawino explores cultural pride and identity while addressing the effects of colonialism. The poem critiques the loss of cultural identity and any struggles that come with adapting foreign customs. It highlights the significance of self-acceptance and warns against abandoning one's heritage, teaching the true progress of honoring one's heritage rather than conforming to another culture. The Song of Lawino explores rich cultures of Africa. It sheds light on the impact of colonialism on African society, particularly how Lawino's husband Okol's rejection of traditional Akoli ways leads to internal conflict. The poem thoughtfully explores the conflict between modernization and cultural heritage, underscoring the significance of identity and self-respect. Song of Lawino promotes cultural respect, understanding, and the embrace of heritage in a rapidly changing world, using vivid imagery and symbolism to remind us of the challenges we face.